The time right now, 5:51. We are pleased this morning to have Alicia McCoy, Senior Vice President of Retail at Delta Trust and Bank, joining us this morning to talk about today's banking industry. And welcome this morning. Thank you so much for joining us. So let's get right into it. We've been hearing about debit card fees. Tell us a bit about that and why some banks are choosing to charge and some are, retreating, not wanting to charge anymore.
Sure. Due to some recent government regulation, large banks, 10 billion and above, have lost some of their debit card fees income. So therefore they have had to find ways to replace this income. So that's why Bank of America and some of the larger banks decided to charge the fee for debit cards. Small banks like us are not affected by this government regulation, so we have not had to start charging.
And especially this year, we've seen lots and lots of changes in the banking industry. What else are you seeing on your end?
We're seeing more and more customers sign up for our e-statements. They've become more and more comfortable with receiving these statements via their email, and so they enjoy the fact that they can eliminate the paper and not have to worry about their statements being stolen from their mailbox.
I know I personally do that, and it's just so convenient that way. What about other technology in terms of banking?
Well, for our business customers, we have a new product that's called our remote deposit capture product, and this allows a business to actually make their deposit right there at their location, so the employee doesn't have to leave their office and go to the bank.
Oh, wow. So how does the money actually get from the business to the bank, or how does the process actually work?
The bank actually provides a scanning device to the employee and to the business, and the employee will actually scan the checks, and then the check images will electronically get to the bank and be deposited into their account.
And this morning I want to talk about the health savings account. A lot of people wondering about that. What are they and how can you get one?
A health savings account is a savings account for the purpose of medical expenses, and it depends on your deductible. So if you have a high deductible, then you will qualify for a health savings account.
And is this something you get in addition to your regular, health benefits at work?
Yes, it's in addition to it. You can open it at any financial institution, and it is different from the 125 cafeteria, as it does roll over and it is yours and it is a portable account.
And very quickly, if people are interested, how do they go about getting more information? Do you just walk to the bank and ask about that? Or?
Yes, they can call or go to any financial institution and ask them about that.
Alrighty, Alicia McCoy joining us from Delta Trust and Bank this morning. Thank you so much for all that information. Great information this morning. Your time right now, 5:54. We're headed for a break on today's TV this morning. We'll have a lot more for you. Stay with us. We'll be right back.